Now, while you're trying to get these 6 pieces of information, can you ask about other things? Nothing restricts you from asking. So you can ask, is this going to be fixed? Is this going to be variable? Are we looking at a balloon fully amortizing 15 years, 5 years, 20 years? All of these things are fair things to have a discussion about, to ask about. However, while you're asking about these other pieces of information beyond the 6 back up in letter A, understand that when you do get the 6th piece of information, you cannot hold up delivery of that loan estimate, while you're waiting for the answer to these things. And so, do you guess? Yes. Well, what if we guess wrong? What if we guessed that it was going to be 15 years and they actually ended up wanting 30? Well, if the best information available made you believe it was 15, and then you got new information that leads you now to believe it's 30, there's going to be ways you can issue a new disclosure, possibly, or maybe you don't need to. And we have a whole section we'll give you some insights on a little bit later on when it comes to new information. We call that change circumstances. And it either rises to the level that requires us to think about redisclosing, or we just let it ride. And there's 1 or 2 that are required. The rest are really at your discretion. So you can ask about these things that you see on the screen, but you can't hold up delivery of the disclosure in the event that you get the 6 pieces in letter A and don't yet still have answers for things like what you have on the screen.